Welcome guys to a new video. Today we are going to be playing Slap Tower 4. It's going to be very fun. Today only me and Felix are playing. Sado couldn't come. Whoever reaches the top first is the winner, like usual.
Okay. Come down. 3,
I think you
2,
wait. I can't use my slap.
me too.
I can't use the yellow one. The yellow.
No,
Let's use the normal one.
okay.
No, it's still not
Wait.
working. What's this? What the heck is this? Why isn't this working? No. Let's go.
I get
I'm gonna win. Uh-huh.
no, come down. We are gonna do 3, 2, 1 and then start.
Okay, let's come here. Bro, why doesn't the slap work? Only the white one works.
Okay. 3, 2,
Let's
go.
go. Oh no, you're right. Did you see the last video?
Yes, I did.
Did you like the thumbnail? It was you. You were in the thumbnail.
Yes, I know that.
Shit, I went from the wrong way. I'm such an idiot. You know,
I'm
bad. Right, bad.
I'm far ahead of you. Bye.
Bro, there's hacker, I think.
It's the same kind of hobby.
Yeah, but these kinds of hobbies are fun.
Yes.
Bro, what?
Where
Let's
are you?
go.
I can't see you. I can't even see you.
I don't know. You're ahead of me. You're ahead of me. No, I fell down. Are you that? Are you actually above me?
What? I am on the Cheyenne part.
Wait a second.
The blue one. No, I fell. Where are you? I can't even
No, I was about to get it. I will get it. I will get it, and you will not know. I will slap anybody who comes to my way. Stay away from me. Kobe. 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 Kobe.
Where are you?
I'm going to do something very devious. W. Oh no.
I fell.
No, bro, this is too far. Oh, this is too hard. You know what? Leave it. I'll just go.
Where are you?
Why should I tell you? Why?
If you don't tell me, you are going to be dead now.
What? You're gonna kill me?
Yes.
No, you climbed to the sign part. Damn. Where are you? Which color are you on?
I fell. I died. Now where are you?
I'm trapped. Somebody trapped me. Please help. Can you please come? Can you please come to the bridge part where you can troll people? Can you come there, please? Can you die and come to the start and help me?
Okay, I died.
Now come, please.
I am a W player.
No, it's okay. A guy helped me. I don't need your help.
You betrayed me. Now
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It didn't betray you. People are killing me. But I will kill you first.
no one can kill me. I am invincible.
You are invincible. Come on, Zero. That. Ah. Hawkeye joined us, guys.
You fell.
Bro, why did Hawkeye leave the group? Oh! 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 Oh my god. Poor Felix got knocked down.
I knock this kid.
Come fast. Come. I like your curtsy.
Thank you.
No! Idiots. Thank you. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No! Oh no! I will actually kill you. I kill you. L. Lol, bro. LOL. This 0x guy is trying to kill everyone. No! Oh my god, why? Ah, Yo, no, Sado, come. We couldn't do the Grimlords video today because they weren't online. Join us in Slap Tower 4. Shadow, join us in Slap Tower 4. We've started the video.
Is the video on?
Yes.
Yes.
Bro, no, this guy. This guy, help me, please, bro. Help. Please, I need this. Bro, what?
Hawkeye join me. Hawkeye join me.
No, he left the group. We don't talk with him. No, bro.
Oh, I died.
No, you didn't. No! Please! No! No, bro, what is this?
Let me climb first.
Okay, go. Be happy. Oh, no.
No, no.
Bro, what is this? Oh, no, bro. What the hell is this game, bro? Get out! Bro, why are you still stuck? Let's go. Let's go! No, no, no. We're stuck.
You know what? I'll help you. I died again.
How you die?
You can respawn.
I know I did that only. Bro, there's a giant slap and a long slap. After, bro, do you think today we can beat this game?
Yes.
For real?
The Xerox guy is trying to kill me.
0x, right?
Yes.
No! Why this idiot, bro?
No.
Idiotic. I will leave this game if he knocks me out one more time, okay? Body. No, this idiotic Jadeja. Bro, this hobby is such an idiotic hobby. Bro, Troll is a Pink Tower is better than this.
Yes, let's play that.
Should we? Okay, let's play. Guys, we're going to beat Troll is a Pinning Tower 5. We will beat it today. The full game, right?
Yes.
You join me, okay?
Okay.
Did you see the new thumbnail that we did in the last video? It was good, right?
Yes.
It was all three of us. Felix, you, me, and even Shadow running.
You wanna play something else like what do we say that hate brain rot?
You want to?
No, let's play
It's
this.
a very good game. You have to kill brain rots
Yes.
for your dog.
I played it yesterday.
Okay, let's play it. It's a good game.
No.
I left. I left.
I'm already on the blue part. Come.
No, I was also on the blue part. It's a very good game too. Let's play it, bro, please. Today
No,
you
wait.
said we'll make a video on the game that I choose. So we play I Hate Brain Rot.
No, wait.
What the hell is this?
Where are you?
I'm joining I Hate Brain Rot. Come.
Okay.
You and me are going to fight for our little doggy. My dog is already stolen, so I can't fight.
Is Shadow playing with us?
No, Shadow didn't come. What's your level 4? Let me create a lobby. Wait. Come on, join.
W.
I will order fun. Can I know? Where's your dog? Oh, it's taken.
Yes.
Are you sad?
Yes.
Will
He
you
was a real.
will you kill that big brain rot for your dog?
All of us, and it's
He was a
getting
just lovely
smarter
black
by the
dog.
minute.
What? You're not racist or are you? Bro,
No,
why you so...
he was really black.
Oh, don't say that, bro. That's racist.
Hmm.
Bro, what the heck? I'm just seeing. Bro.
Tung.
It's you, huh? Tung tung.
I killed him.
W. Come on, let's go. Wanna go over here? Tung tung. Oh, W aim. Is it auto in mobile?
I don't think.
So let's go. Let's go to the treasure room first and see what we get.
Do you have the key?
Let's go. I got the Brazilian menace. No, I don't have any keys, bro. It's okay.
Okay, let's.
Bro, we have infinite stamina, I think.
Where are you?
How much damage do you do? I do 216.
What?
I do 216 damage. Oh, I saved you for real, bro. Let's go. We got to find stuff. Idiotic. I hate tung sounds. Let's go over here. No, I'm gonna see you. Oh, W. Wait a second. We have to go to the power room first. Wait a second. I gotta collect this. Now we have to turn on the power. Now we have to go there on the treasure room.
Where are you?
Okay, now let's go. Come, follow me.
Okay.
Tung sounds has fun.
Tung.
Bro, where are you? I already killed all them. There's a Berber Patapi. Come on. Bro, why? You got all that. Oh, you got that big magazine. Let's go. Bro, where are you? I thought you weren't here. Look, I got a small dice on my thing, on my gun. We got to after this thing we gotta do. Oh, wait a second. We can take some of this. Wanna take something?
No, come. I'm already fighting him.
Okay, dog food. I got food for my dog. You know, this is too easy. Why are you so scared? Bro, don't get scared.
How much health do you have?
Bro, I have 95 health.
I have 105 health.
W. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Puffed. What do I get? What will I get? No way! I got this. I got this. No way! Look at it. Damn, that's some scene gun kind of thing. Come on, let's go. My mamu is calling me. Like it's your what do you call it? Your mother's brother, right? Should we go to the dangerous or normal?
Normal.
Okay, yeah, let's take normal. Next time we'll do dangerous when all of us come, right? Because it will be
Yeah.
easier. Bro, this
I went with four
Like
guys in the dangerous
this
one
is
who
where
still
the
couldn't
facility let the brain rots
him.
move freely for the first time.
Okay, bro. Let's go, it's gonna be fun. Why is my mom still calling me, bro? I have to play this game. Bro, no! Bombardiro, crocodilo, bro, why are they shifting bombs on us?
Cappuccino.
Why you waiting outside? No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I saved you.
Cappuccino assassin.
No, this cappuccino assassino. Bro, my health is very low, bro. Key required. I have key. Oh, I don't have a key. Do you have a key?
No.
No, we gotta go here. Bro, my health is very less. You have to fight.
Then what will you do? Sit back and relax.
Wait, I can kill them from here. W, let's go.
Tung.
I got one.
Tung.
Bro, do you have grenade?
Tung. Tung.
When I will go to my bro, what is this? I wanna go to the treasure room, bro. Okay, let's go to bro. Where are you? Oh, this thing. Let me see. What will I get? What will I get? Damn! Oh, damn! I got this. Oh, damn! No way! I got this thing. Bro, I need some help. Do you have a key?
No. Save me! I'm on the team.
Bro, you have a lot of health. Bhai, what are these what are these small things? How much health do you have?
7.
77. I have 90. Okay, right there. Bro, this small thing. No, I'm gonna die. Help. I have 77 health. I'm gonna die. I have 50 health. Help!
I helped you.
No, you didn't. I have 50 health.
What the hell?
So we're gonna lose. At this point, we're gonna lose. Now we have a boss fight and I have 53 health. You do the fighting because you have a lot of
brain
health.
rots here. And never got
You can also fight a little, please.
Okay, I'll do it. Please, I need this. We have to buy something from there. No, this, yes. I have almost full health now. Come on, let's go fight. I have a lot of health.
I have full health now.
Liri, no way.
Cappuccino. Bombardino. Cappuccino assassin.
This small thing. This small cappuccino also small.
Remember how the brain got took your kid and you have to rescue it.
Yeah. Come on, but Apim. I'm not scared of you.
What can 360 that?
Come on, Lily. Come.
Cappuccino assassino.
What will I get? Please, something good. No, I got this. Look at my gun.
Certified Hood Classic.
How are you equipping this?
I don't know. I just got it. Damn, that gun is insane.
How do I equip this? I also got this.
Normal or hard? Normal, right?
No.
But we get more rewards in hard. But it's okay. Now we have to go through a series of fights to get our dog,
Well.
and then I will eat
Forgive me
his
for
thing.
doubting you, but I thought you would have died a while ago.
What's that?
Should,
Sleeping noise?
should we make a part 2 of this?
Yes.
So should I end the video right here
Yes.
and then make another 10-minute video?
Yes.
No, let's just make it one part. Then it's going to take a lot of time. Bro, these Bombardino, Crocodile, and Cappuccinos are too hard to kill. Damn, I do 300 damage, I think. No, but let me do damage if you can. I do 233. Let me hit headshots.
Cappuccino Assassino.
Bro, we'll all just. No, what's that? What's that?
Do you have a key?
No. Do you have?
No.
Let's go there. Come on, both of tung Sahurs. Bro, it's a lead, Larida. It's pooping. Wait, let's go to the treasure room. What will I get? What will I get? I got a rocket launcher. No, I got a suppressor. I thought it was a rocket launcher. If I would, you know what? Why did you kill? No, bro, something's killing me very hard. I'm doing 300 damage
Cappuccino
headshots.
Assassino.
Come on, Cappuccino, I'm not scared from you. Or Lady Lila. You took my dog. I will do anything for my dog. Come, let's go.
I am John Wick. I will do anything for my dog.
Oh, you've seen it. You've seen the series.
Yes.
No, me too.
Also, guys, let's in the comments who has seen John Wick.
Come on. My dog. I will save my dog. I'm going to butterfly kick bottle. Like it's too much now. It's empty. Let's go.
What? Where?
Over here, bro. To the train. Come. We have another boss fight. I think we'll finish this video till 30 minutes, right?
You, but I thought you
Yes.
would have died
Do you think
a
we
while
should get a dog? Guys, I think it could be a long video, so get your snacks and relax. No,
Can you come here? I don't have anything.
me neither. Bro, I wanted like at least 25 plus health. Like we have to fight. Come on. If we work together, but oh no, the Isoxicola. This guy took our dog.
But he picked up one other.
Cappuccino Assassino.
No, I'm dead. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
Cappuccino Assassino.
Leave. No, I quit. Come on. I'm gonna kill the Isoxicola. Headshot soon, Linka.
Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino assassino.
You can keep it.
We can do it if we work together. We can do it.
Cappuccino assassino.
He dead?
No, I'm dying. Please, I need help. I need help. I need help. Please, I need help. Did we win? No way.
Yeah.
Actually, oh, I need help very bad, bro. What's this? I got a rare thing. It's called rat cloning device. Damn.
I got a cursed arrow.
Cursed arrow.
Yes. How do I equip it?
You have it already on your gun.
What?
Yeah, look.
Where?
It's right there. Below your gun. I can see it. Come on, let's go. Bro, I have 50 health. We can die.
Yes. I have 68.
What if we die? We have to end the video right then and there, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, how many things do you have in your gun? That's actually weird.
Push them beyond the early models.
I will fight for my dog. And then we get a dog. Bro, I'm gonna stay a little far away. You go first. You have more health. Oh my god, I hate this little lol. Do you have a key? No, bro. We're gonna die. At this point, I have 47 health. I'm going. No! Where are you? Basically, Tera. No, it's a bomb. It's a bomb. Stay away from the cycle thing. I know. It's a bomb.
How much health do you have?
I have 41. It's okay. We can do it. Stay away from the little cappuccino. I kill cappuccino. Cappuccino. I only have 59 health. I gained health. I don't know how. I got Fuzzy dice. Let's go. Oh! Let's go. No, what's that? What's that? Come on, let's go. Run. Why do we have 6 sevens? Bro, the 6 sevens have bombs. I have 35 health. Bro, you go first. You have a lot of health.
No.
Yes, you do. I can see your health. Tell me when you need my help.
I need your help now.
Bombaglat! I need health very bad, bro. I can't do the boss fight. I have 35 health. I can't, bro. How much health do you have? Tell me the truth.
78.
This is
I
where
have
they upgrade
35. You have to fight more, okay?
Push them beyond the early models.
Okay, and try to kill him, but I'll do the most damage.
Okay, it's okay. I'll kill the boss. Killing the boss is easier. Wait, I can get something. Bro, please don't take. I am saying something. I am buying 1 key. What's this?
I want to.
Remove and is this the max health for me or what? Bro, why did I get dog food when I can't use it? I'm such an idiot. Go fight. Go.
No.
Go, you have a lot of health. Okay, I have came. I have came.
Trippi troppi.
No, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead!
Trippi troppi.
No! I have 19 health!
I'm going to kill two now.
Trippi troppi.
We're gonna lose! We're gonna lose! No! Oh! Come on! No!
Era bicicletta io.
Ah! We have to kill the small things. No, I'm gonna die very fast. I have 10 HP.
Let's keep running away from the first one.
No! I'm dead. Sorry, I'm dead. I have to run. You fight, please.
I have 46 and out with 5.
I have 4 health. Oh, bro. Okay, I'm my turn.
I am done confident.
No! Felix! Felix! I'm doing it. I'm trying to kill the Garmaram. Gamaramam. I'm getting him very good. We can do this for our dog. No! I'm dead.
Can you die?
Yeah, you have to revive me. First kill him. It's okay, kill him. No! Run. Keep on running. Go run. Revive me. He's slow. Come. Then I have full health. Go revive. You need Robux.
Yes.
It's okay. You can beat this game by yourself. Kill him. He's very weak. You can revive him for free. It says you can revive for free. Okay, die. I have to end the video so you can die.
Okay.
End the video. My mom just came to me and said, end it. It's been too long. I have to end it. If you kill him, it's very good. You killed him. Wait a second. Let me come.
No, I can't revive you. Sorry. Hello? Hello?
Yeah! You beat him? Can you revive me?
No.
Why? Go try. You can revive your friends for free.
No, I can't.
What does it say?
It says revive other 80 Robux.
Okay, now go. It's okay. Beat the game by yourself.
What the heck?
Bro,
Let's end the video.
no, take it. Okay, it's okay. We'll end the video. So bye, guys. I hope you liked the video. And if you want a part 2, tell us. We'll beat the whole game from the start. And we'll do it faster.
And Prodigy, I also want to tell you one thing. The comments are turned off.
No, it's actually turned on. Our friend, his name is Shreyan, but King Knife, when he was publishing a video, he did it made for kids. That's why.
Okay, I'ma leave the call.
Okay, bye. Wow.